Today on the channel, we take a look at the RG43H PRO. Yeah, I know, that's a handful, right? That's what she said. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? MikeOfAllTrades. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, as we make our way to 5K. And at 5K, we'll be doing a giveaway of something. I don't freaking know. And for my regulars, welcome. So, full disclosure, this was sent to me for purpose of review. So, shout out to AISLPC for this. Yeah, that's their actual name. But so this is a 4.3 inch handheld with a ROC 3562 quad core. Has a 4,000 milliamp battery, Wi-Fi, and there's vibration in the motor. If you guys want to look and pause and check out the stats and stuff, you can. Again, this was in review. These opinions are my own, and they do not get to see this before y'all get to see it. I don't even know which color I got, but it comes in a plethora of colors. Apparently blue, gray, black. It might be yellow because of the yellow dot, but we're gonna open this up and then we're gonna see what's in it, because y'all know how I feel about handhelds and stuff, right? And apparently the resolution is, like, I'm assuming this is 5.4 1024 by 768, so just a little bit over 720p, right? So opening the box, yeah, it's definitely yellow, right? It's like it's got that Nintendo Switch Lite kind of like yellow color, which is cool. They give you a screen, is that a screen protector? Yeah, a screen protector and wipes, so wipes are a thing. And then you get an instruction manual that we all know that nobody is going to use, but it is nice for them to include this kind of stuff, right? It does have Type-C charging and whatever else, and you get a screen protector, so they want you to protect your device. If you're interested in this, I'll have a link to it in Amazon. It will be an affiliate link, so if you guys want to help me get to the bag and you guys want to pick something up, by all means, check it out. With the console out the way, and under here we do have a USB-C charging cable. So it's USB-C to USB-C alpha. So, that's not too bad in 2026. It's definitely a thing. And then there's nothing else inside the cardboard. So throw that to the side, and then you guys want to get a in-depth look to your charger, whatever else. Not bad, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sure this isn't supercharging. It's just a USB-C or whatever else, right? But, here it is right here. Here is the product. We're going to slide it out slowly. Hey, Alexa, cue the slow jam music. The American Pie track. The do. All right. So either this thing has been sitting for a very long time, or they just decided to send me a dusty copy. Like, that's crazy. But they gave us wipes, so we can use wipes and clean it off, right? All right. First impressions. Just touching this thing. The triggers, clicky. The analog buttons at the top, clicky. This feels like a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con joystick. So there's that. And then you've got this 4-way directional pad, which is 8-way, kind of reminiscent to a Sega Genesis controller. I'm sure that's supposed to be a button spot, but it's molded in plastic, so whatevs. And then you've got another stick on the side, YXAB. So it's got the classic Nintendo layout. There's a ST button right there and an SE. I don't know what it does. We should look at the directions and find out what that is real fast. But there's a power switch, your R button, volume rocker up and down, and then on the bottom we've got headphone. You've got your charging port, HDMI. That's a mini, so if you want to maybe hook this up to a display and play it, whatever else, where you can do that. And then your card, your micro SD card. Hold on, let me just wipe this thing on my chest real quick. Actually, you know what? We don't need to. It's got a screen. All right, you ready? ASMR. Okay, so after getting that off, screen actually looks pretty shiny. If you guys see the light that's in my light box, I apologize. But let's see if we got some juice in this mamma jamma, right? Hold it down. Oh, and it vibrated to life. There is somebody out there who's going to love that. There's a joke in there. Insert your own jokes. Okay. Oh, and look at that. The joysticks light up with the color around it. That's different. It's absolutely different. Retro TV. All games. 5,000 games. So does this just the menu? All right. Favorites. Amstrad. Final Bird. Neo. MAME. Wait. bro, this guy has MAME on it. Hold on. 2600 CPS 1, 2. Do you have CPS 3? Okay, hold on. All right, hold on. Listen, I know I'm supposed to keep going through this. Nintendo. All right, so the first thing we do, we got to check Nintendo. I saw a MAME. I wanted to check it. Let's see if there is Mario. There is no Mario, unless it's under something else. Wait, what do we just do? Did we switch? Okay, we're going through files. That's what we're doing. So if you go left or right in there, there's that. So you guys see me pushing on the pad. It's kind of squishy, but that looks like JoJo. I'm assuming that's Red Earth. This is Street Fighter 2. Well, that's Street Fighter 3. It's probably Second Impact. And I'm hoping this is Third Strike. So let's find out right now. Because if it ain't Third Strike, then what are we doing here, right? What's the purpose of having this if we can't play no Third Strike on the go? Funny enough, I'm recording this the day before I go to San Diego. So if this is actually kind of decent, I might actually have to use it. Hold on. Can we bump that? Pick that up, Mike. Hold on. Pick it up. Listen. I will say, as we listen to this Third Strike, the screen does look nice and bright. And this is the arcade ROM because it's asking for 2 coins. We didn't look at the back. That's what it says on the back, and there's your speakers right there. All right. So I'm assuming this is going to be our coin in button. But you know what they say about the word assumptions, right? Yep, coin. Yep, all right, cool. Better question. Can we hit a demon? Can we hit a raging demon? I do not like this D-pad. All right, but let's see. Keep it classy against my dude Dudley. All right, so let's see. This is light, medium, light. So, Dudley, calm down. I'm trying to find the buttons. All right, come on, let's go. Hold that. You know, it's hard to play this with. So you guys can see I'm putting in inputs. So when you do forward down, forward. I mean, it's this isn't something you're going to honestly play like Third Strike on. However, y'all see that demon, right? Hold on, chat. Hold on. Even on the handheld, anybody get a demon? Yeah. All right. Yo, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 handheld. All right, that's a lie. I shouldn't lie like that. But, all right, how are we getting out of this thing? Okay, so you tap these 2 buttons twice, and it'll bring you back. So that's not bad. Let's test out MAME and see what they have in here. Now, if they don't have X-Men or if they don't have X-Men or Turtles, what are we doing? I'm not gonna listen. Hold on. Before y'all get into it, bro, and I know y'all in the comments, I'm not checking this thing for Pac-Man. Everything plays Pac-Man. Your kitchen toaster probably plays Pac-Man right now. We not checking Pac-Man. Yeah. There's X-Men though, and if X-Men don't load, we got a problem. Oh, there's a copyright warning. I don't get that when my arcade starts up. Listen. Y'all are playing this at your own risk. Just know that. Y'all playing this at your own risk, blood. It's taking a long time to load up for a rock chip. And so they don't have the attract mode sound on. Oh, yes, they do. There it goes. So it's crazy. I'm tapping the button, and that's as loud as the volume goes. It'd be cheap we play with Cyclops, right? But if we don't play with... Here, we'll play with Dazzler. Everybody hates Dazzler, right? Let's get to it. So this is the 4-player ROM. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Hold on, let me see if I can play through my camera. I can't see through my camera. Look, I have the most mean gangster lean right now. Ain't a lot of y'all. Like it is definitely something. Oh, I haven't even checked the joystick. Hold on, we should be checking that. I've been using the D-pad all the time, right? I will say the volume is very low. Hold that. I said hold that. Thank you. Hopefully y'all are seeing that and whatever else, right? All right, let's find something else. Oh, you're lagging. So for those who are wondering, I just loaded up the Dreamcast core. There's 4 games on here. It's like Crazy Taxi, whatever else. No, we don't care about that. I saw Marvel's Capcom 2. So, yo, this is your real test, man. It's the Dreamcast version though, so they added the best version. It is the best version. Ooh. Dreamcast emulation is kind of iffy on a rock chip. You know, even on the At Games Legend Ultimate, you know, it's kind of iffy. So look at that. Look at that. But y'all ready? Y'all ready? I just hit start. Oh, because the buttons are mapped. That's the A button, Dreamcast. I'm gonna take you for some pie. So that means you're gonna have to cheat with this thing and like freaking leave it on to get the time in training mode to do it unless you're gonna play it like that. Yo, but we'll take Cable. We'll take my dog Cyclops. You know what I mean? With the Jamaican colors, hopefully. And my dude Doom, because you know Doom's about to run the world and ruin everybody's dreams. Yeah, you got to throw rocks. If we're not throwing rocks, we're not doing it right. Gonna take you for some pie. Wow, look at the copycat, bro. The only difference is they swapped out Doom for Hulk. Ugh, see, this I'm worried about this. This I'm worried about. Oh, there's my sister. Ugh, there go rocks, chat. Ugh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Ugh, rocks. I will say it is mapped to be Dreamcast. Your back triggers are your assist, so but no scimitar because well, yeah. So if you want to do it, you're gonna have to use the joystick because that D-pad is spongy. Ugh, hold that, yeah. Look at that, ugh. Oh, look at that, bust at your son. Ugh, hold on, can we DH? Oh, where the DHC at though? I'm trying to scimitar. Hold on. Yo, listen, are we playing this game if we don't time flip? Ugh. Hit him with the time flip. Look at that. I'm sorry, Scott Summers. You didn't deserve that. You didn't deserve that. All will fall to Doom, though. Yeah. Go ahead, Doom. Hold on. Foot dodge. Yeah. Hold that. I was gonna go start testing Mario out. Hold on. DHC. DHC. I had the meter. They hold me. Mash it out. Yeah. Look, I know that wasn't the most stable experience in the world, but hey, you can play Dreamcast on here, so that's a W. Now back to doing what I was gonna do, and I was gonna go find Nintendo and look at Nintendo. Okay, so there's NES, right? But there is no Super Nintendo. But there is Sega Genesis. I just want to say that out loud while we're going through this real fast. On second thought, yo, listen, there are no notable Super Nintendo regular Nintendo games on here. But that's a good thing about this being on the micro SD card. I can't tell you how to do it, but you can add your own stuff. Hold on. Hey, listen. I'm assuming Sonic's on here because it's Sonic the Hedgehog, bro. It's literally Sonic the Hedgehog. And sorry about your earbuds and everything else, right? I just want y'all to be able to hear it real fast. Let me just pause. I'm gonna just go to it. All right, y'all. For your nostalgia bones, here you go. Real fast. Here you go. And there you go. I know y'all wanted that, bro. Y'all were literally asking if we play Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic 1, 2, 3 is on here, and Sonic and Knuckles. Oh wait, this is Sonic 1. There is no charge ups. Bro, listen, I feel like ugh. Go ahead and hum the through Green Hill Zone. Y'all know y'all want to. It actually runs really well too, so there's no lag or anything else like that. I know that sounds really funny, but like Sonic the Hedgehog wouldn't lag. You'd be surprised. Yeah. All right, man. That's enough, man. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. Hold on, but look at that score though. Look at that score though. And there you have it, the AISLPC RG43H. Yeah, again, mouthful, handful. Insert joke here. Actually, touching this, it actually isn't that bad. My gripe is this D-pad. This D-pad is very squishy. The switch stick, I'm calling it the switch stick. Listen, I know it's an analog joystick and whatever else, right? Switch stick, it's nice. You know, it's responsive. You can move left and right, and I should probably turn that volume down so it's not picking up on the microphone, right? But it's nice, you know. The menu is intuitive and everything else. Now, for those who are expecting a bunch of games on here, like I stated before, Nintendo games, they're on here, but there's like 96. There's no Super Nintendo, and I'm pretty sure y'all understand why that's not on there. If I need to explain that to you, then I'm going to have to explain how emulation and whatever else. It's not that it can't work, it's just that they legally can't play system on here. However, if you're looking for something to scratch your Sega Genesis itch, get a couple Dreamcast games in for you to play arcade games with on the go or at home while you're getting your lazy time in, or if you're like some cool chick who's playing this and you're going to be sitting in the bath with a glass of red wine, some Cabernet Sauvignon, you know what I mean? Hey, be classy. This might scratch the itch for you. Now, this is listed on Amazon. I will have an affiliate link listed below, so you guys, if you want to pick it up, you can check it out, grab it, you know what I'm saying? And hey, it helps out the channel as well. But the battery life is on it really good. I've been playing it for a little bit. Surprisingly, I was able to do Scimitar. I was able to DP on the Dreamcast game, so that's pretty good as well. You know what I mean? Headphone jack in 2026 is always a bonus because that means you can sit on a plane and you can play this and have fun or whatever else, right? For a nice little device, especially for something that you can connect to your TV via mini HDMI to HDMI, yeah, it's not bad at all, man. If you're interested, pick it up. Like I said, I think it's like $79.99 at the time of recording this, and it comes in various colors. So this one just happens to be yellow. Again, shout out to them for sending me this for review. Again, they do not get to see this before y'all do. And yeah, man. But what do you guys think? Did you pick this up? What do you think about picking it up? Has this video helped you decide if you want to pick it up or not? Let me know in the comments below. I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not, as we make our way to 5K. And at 5K, we'll be doing a giveaway of some type. And hey, YouTube thinks you're going to like the video that's coming up at the end of this. So why don't you go ahead and click on it. Stay a while and enjoy the content. And if you don't hit the like button for any other reason, you'll hit it because I got a fresh cut, son. Yeah. Anyway, God bless. Have an amazing rest of your day. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuces. Oh. And should I try to soft log games on this? Actually, let me stop that. Let me stop. I'm getting in trouble. Let me stop. Y'all have a great day, man.